camera, Jennifer. Come take a look at it. You can walk on it. Nice. See how how it looks natural now?
Yes.
All those scratches and scuff marks.
Very pretty.
Very pretty. Thank you. And your husband told me y'all got a quote to replace it, like $8,000 to $10,000.
Oh yeah.
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 Yep. See there? Yep. Yep.
Good deal.
Thank you. Thank you. So we're doing the UV cure. Your husband was actually able to kind of feel the difference.
Yeah.
So you see how it feels hard and slick now? So it's the UV cure.
Okay.
Yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, and I love that satin finish. It makes the floors look more natural. Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Wednesday. Today is March the 12th. We are out here in a city called Bishop, Georgia. This is a client. She says she's been following me for a while. They originally wanted to get the floors done around COVID, but they decided to hold off. And her name is Jennifer. I just met her husband as well, and I never came out here and to do a consultation. Sent me pictures, built them up a proposal, and they're going to go with it's a 565 square feet screen and recoat with UV cure. Also, a client that I did about 2 weeks ago in Roswell. She was so happy with her floor. She's having me come back on I think it's the 24th to do some more floors in Roswell. And that's funny, I actually have a paid consultation that day in Roswell. And then once we get the coating down, we got to go to Tucker, Georgia and do a paid consultation for a client that says she's been following me, and they want to get their floors done. So let me flip this around, guys, and show you what we got going today. We are in Bishop, Georgia. Beautiful, beautiful day, beautiful neighborhood. All right, guys, let's see what we got going. So she said the house is 19 years old. They've been here for about 9 years. These are definitely the original floors. So what I'm doing is just did a little test just to make sure we get some good abrasion. And what we're going to be doing, guys, is basically here, coming in from the garage here. We got a sitting and dining room, the entryway, and this whole large living room area. So I just tested some pads, and one of the issues with the floors, I'm going to zoom in. If you can guys see, this is most floors. You got a lot of, got just some residue, got a lot of micro scratches. See right there, guys, in the floor. So the screen is going to knock all that out. See right here, see all that. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started. All right, guys, we're getting a great screen on the floor. One thing about me, I like to inform my clients, even though most of my clients don't watch what I do because they know what I do. But Jennifer, you come over here. It's just a little dust. So remember the areas that you was concerned about up in here?
Yes.
And remember I told you your floors, it was just the finish wearing off, and also it had a little residue on it?
Yes.
So if you look really close, the part that I've screened,
yes,
and then you still see all these scratches over here from an angle,
yes,
but if you look over here, you don't see them anymore.
Correct.
That's what we're doing.
Gotcha.
So we're just knocking all that residue off the floors, which is going to get all those micro scratches, all those surface marks out. So that's why you can kind of see it right here.
Yep.
So as we're going, it's just knocking all that off the floor.
Perfect.
Perfect. You're welcome. All right, guys, we got an amazing abrasion on this floor. Now we're doing some cleaning, tacking the floor. Oh man, look how much better that floor looks. Oh wow, that looks amazing. So what we're going to do next? I got the rag coat ready. I'm going to get the rag coat. Oh, that looks so good. So good. And I'll get the rag coat. I've already got it prepped. Let it kind of air out for about 15-20 minutes before I pour it in my bucket. Right here. Boo, boo, rag coat. All right, guys, it is such a gorgeous day, man. So once we get the coating down, we're going to go ahead to Tucker. It's about an hour, 15-minute drive. So that's perfect timing to get the rag coat to sit for about 2.5, 3 hours before we come back and UV cure. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we just got back. We just booked, went to Tucker, Georgia. That was a paid consultation. They booked on the spot for the screen and recoat with stairs and UV cure for the 28th of this month, which is on a Friday. It's about 1,200 square feet and then 16 stairs. So anyway, guys, we are back at this job in Bishop. Look how much better these floors look now. It's almost like a new floor, guys. That finish looks amazing on this floor. And it's a satin finish, so not too shiny. I love the satin finish because it makes the floors look more natural. But let's zoom in. Remember at the beginning of the video, I was showing you all those scuff marks and scratches. Look at that, guys. Look at that. I'll zoom in some more. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. All right, guys, time to start doing some UV. This usually takes for this square footage maybe about 20-30 minutes. And that's the UV process right there. And we are UV curing that finish into the floor. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, and that's a wrap. Another job well done. All right, well, we'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a screen and recoat in Alpharetta for a move out. Client actually reached out to me, I think it was last week, and I went and did a consultation. So it's a move out. Floors basically need a good screen and recoat because they're putting the house on the market. And then after that, we got to go do a basement concrete cleaning, a little service I do every now and then. And yeah, floors look great. All right, so like I said, if you go back to the beginning of the video, all up in this area, you can see all those micro scratches and scuff marks. The screen actually knocks those down, clean and tack it, vacuum it, and got a great coating, the greatest coating back on this floor. All right, guys, see you in the next one.